They promise you a 700 credit score in 30 days. They promise to erase your debt. They promise freedom. But what they don't tell you is that the entire credit repair industry in America is one of the biggest white-collar scams ever created. A scam that destroys credit, steals identities, and traps millions of Americans in a cycle they can never escape. And the worst part is that in 2026, it's still happening. Every year, nearly 70 million Americans struggle with bad credit, medical bills, layoffs, divorce. One emergency and your financial life collapses. So when someone online promises to fix everything for $99, you want to believe them. These companies know exactly who they're targeting. Young adults, single mothers, immigrants, people desperate for a second chance. But behind the promises, there's a system designed for one thing: to take your money and leave your credit worse than before. Here's the truth most Americans never hear. These companies file thousands of fake disputes with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They flood the system with random claims until the bureaus get overwhelmed. And sometimes, yes, a negative item disappears. But not because anything was fixed. It's because the system glitched. The deletion is temporary. And when the creditor responds, the negative item comes right back. But by then, you've already paid them hundreds. Some companies go even further. They fabricate synthetic identities, fake credit profiles, fake addresses, fake employers. Your new credit score isn't even yours. It's stitched together from someone else's data. And when the identity collapses, you take the fall, not the scammer. This isn't credit repair, it's identity fraud. And you become the criminal without ever knowing it. Others use a different trick. They tell you to stop paying your bills. Ignore the letters they say. We'll handle everything. But the moment you stop paying, your credit score nosedives. Your late fees explode. Your interest multiplies. And the scammer continues charging your card every single month. The victims aren't just numbers. They're real people. A family that lost their apartment because their credit repair company told them to throw away collection letters. A college graduate whose score dropped to 430 after trusting a TikTok credit guru. Immigrants who paid $1,500 to rebuild their credit only to find their social security numbers used in fraudulent loan applications. These scams don't fix credit, they destroy lives. In 2025 and 2026, the FBI launched multiple operations targeting credit repair fraud rings across Florida, Texas, Atlanta, and California. Entire companies shut down, millions recovered, thousands exposed. But for every scam the FBI shuts down, 2 new ones appear. New website, new name, new promise. The scam didn't disappear, it evolved. Now it hides behind influencers, credit mentorship programs, funding experts, AI credit boosters, online courses teaching secret loopholes. They don't call it credit repair anymore, but the scam hasn't changed. The monthly fees remain, the lies remain, the victims remain. But here's the one truth they never want you to know. You can repair your credit yourself, for free, legally, safely, without scams, without fake disputes, and without destroying your financial future. Because in America, your credit score can either be your biggest weakness or your strongest weapon. And here on the White Collar USA, we expose every system designed to keep you powerless.